Hey, good morning everybody. Zach here with Southern Loon Retrievers, and welcome back to another episode of Fury's Life. Today we're going to be covering in this lesson introducing our pup to doubles. Okay, now our pup has seen a lot of marks up to this point. Okay, ton of singles, you know, different angles, different elevation, different terrain features and whatnot. What we're doing in this episode is we're putting that together, and we're continuing to put the pieces together for our pup. Okay, we're throwing two birds at one time, but we're going slow. All right, we always talk about the factors and the distractions, distance versus those things, and how we can add and subtract from them. That's what we're going to do today. We've been really stretching out on our singles. Our confidence in our pup is super high. Today we're going to draw it back down, not so much in the confidence, but in our factors that we're incorporating. So we have a wide open field. We've only done obedience on this maybe twice, okay? And all we're gonna be doing is throwing short hand marks, okay? But as doubles, okay? We got two of the fake birds here. We just put some fresh scent on them. We're gonna make this very simple for our pup so that the distance isn't really a factor, because we're gonna be keeping it short, but we're gonna be building a lot of confidence by doing that, okay? No distractions, nothing crazy, no launchers, no slingers. All we're doing is hand tossing doubles and keeping it fun. We'll do a couple reps, probably 3 or 4 reps of doubles, call it a day, okay? So, let's get to it.
Down to the line. Yep. Good dog, good dog, good dog, good dog. All right, come on now. See? Good. Good dog. Come on now.
So you guys can see, that was pretty much just a double-double drill that we've done in the past. All right, we stacked them to get our pup in the groove and raise the confidence at the beginning of the session. Now we're going to spread it out.
Come on now. Here.
Good. Good dog.
Good dog. Heel. More. No. Here. Come on, dog. Good dog. Come on. Good. Let's go. Right here. Here. Come on now. Good. Here. Good dog, good dog. Right here. Here. Good. dog. Let's go now. Good dog. Let's go. Good boy. Come on, come on, come on. Let's go now. Heel. Good boy. Yes. Here. Good dog. Good. Right here, pup. Right here, right here, right here.
Ooh, yes, nose deep. Heel. Give it. Good, good. All right, guys, that's it. Very short session. Keep your pup focused. All right, don't let him get distracted. If it's snowing, don't let him eat the snow. That's what little man right here is trying to go through. All right, guys, that's it. A real short session. Keep a pup focused. Keep it fun. All right, you guys know the big three. Keep it effective, upbeat, and keep it fun. We have to. All right, our pup is getting so many marks now that no, they're not going to find it boring, but they're going to understand that, okay, I can get in a rhythm now. All right, we want to kind of keep it changing every day. All right, with that drill, no more than 4. All right, I think that's plenty, especially for the first day. Keep it real short in terms of reps. All right, keep your distance within an arm's throw. All right, you saw that last rep. I just kind of maxed it out with gloves on, and he killed it. If you're training in snow, it's awesome because for a young pup, it's very simple for them to see it. All right, as long as it sticks out. We had a little bit of ice come last night, so you can see that the heads were kind of popping out, which is good for our pup. But keep it short, guys. Keep it fun. Your pup is gonna get there. Don't get afraid. Don't get worried if your pup is behind a little bit. We're gonna get there together. So stick by the big 3, guys, and we'll see you on the next one. And remember, ending on a fun note, you're free.
Catch me howling at the moon.